This video is to show you what comes in the package for the Sweet Life Ionic Professional Blow Dryer, model SW-DF801. So this is the blow dryer here. The cord on it is professional grade. It's got an 8-foot cable. It does have a test and a reset on it. And it's got an ion button, a cool button, and then it's got a cool low, a cool, and then it's on this side it's got the highest warm. And if you want cold, you just press this button. So I'm going to show you a quick dries fairly fast, and it's got the power that I need. So again, that's the Sweet Life Professional Blow Dryer with ion technology. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.